We will learn basic steps to find domain, range, amplitude, and period for transformed sinusoidal functions. Enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll write down domain, range, period, and amplitude for the given functions. So we'll work on sine function and cosine function. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top. We can be part of your success. Let's begin with the first one, which is y equals to 1 minus 3 sine of x by 2. It is a good practice to rewrite in the standard form where we write it as minus 3 sine of x by 2 plus 1, right? Now, from here you can write down all the parameters. As far as the domain is concerned, domain is set of real numbers for sine and cosine. There are no restrictions, right? So we can begin by writing the domain. So domain is x belongs to real numbers. There are no restrictions. Now, how do you find range? To find range, what we should do is we should find the axis and amplitude. That will help us to find the range, right? So, if this is the axis, right, in this case, the axis is 1, so it is y equals to 1. Amplitude is 3, the coefficient of sine x by 2. Amplitude is always positive. So from the axis, the wave will go 3 up and 3 down. So if I add 3 to 1, I get y equals to 4. And if I subtract 3 from 1, I get y equals to minus 2. Get the idea? Therefore, the range for us is from minus 2 to 4. So we can write y is greater than equal to minus 2, less than equal to 4, where y belongs to set of real numbers. The next is period. So how do you write period? Well, the period is, the k value here is half, right? So period is 2 pi divided by half, which is 4 pi. Amplitude, we already know about it. Amplitude is always positive, and in this case, the amplitude is 3. So with that, I think you have understood the concept, correct? I'd like you to now pause the video and answer part B of this question. Now let's take up the solution for part B. So the equation for part B here is y equals to 3 cos of 2x plus pi by 2. We can factor 2. It's a good practice. However, it doesn't really matter in this case. And when we factor it out, we get this as pi by 4. Now, once we write like this, we know the axis in this particular case is 0, amplitude is 3. We can write down all the parameters. Domain, as we know, is all values of real numbers. There are no restrictions. Range. So from the axis, which is in this case y equals to 0, you will go up 3 units, right? So plus 3 and y minus 3. So range in this case is y belongs to real numbers, where it is from minus 3 to 3. Period. Period in this case will be 2 pi divided the k value, which in this case is 2. So the period is pi. As far as amplitude is concerned, amplitude is 3. So that is how we can actually answer this question. So I hope the concepts are absolutely clear. So I hope your concepts of finding domain, range, period, and amplitude for sinusoidal functions are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks and all the best.